Now this is AirTag. So yeah, we've been waiting for this. Has been leaked by John Prosser and so many leakers out there about the AirTag and what it looks like. Yes, it does look like the renders that they have, and it's about the size of a bottle cap. Today we're gonna look at the AirTag in a different light because I know you guys have seen reviews by Marquez and other big YouTubers out there with the U1 chip. I'm gonna show you today if you can use this with an older device, older than the iPhone 11. We're gonna test it out with the iPhone 10 and show you how well it does. Now, because this is Apple made, it's really easy to install AirTags to your iPhone. Right now, like I said, we have the iPhone 10, and basically it'll recognize the AirTag, a brand new AirTag right there, and you're just gonna hit connect. And here you can choose any name for your AirTag. We're just gonna custom name it and name it Pulse Keys. So you can name it whatever you want. And I like how they added that on there so that you can customize it however you'd like. Very nice. So yeah, and then next you'll be able to choose an emoji or whatever you want. I think we're gonna go for the star. So that's kind of like Captain America. So like a small shield, if you may, right? Once you are all done, go ahead and verify the phone number. Is very important because when your device is lost and someone else found it, then they'll be able to text you or call you so that they can let you know that they have your keys. Now with Find My app, you'll be able to find every single Apple device that you have. And this even integrates every single thing that you own with an AirTag and made it look like it's an Apple device. So I like how the Apple's ecosystem really makes this whole experience just sweet. Now the AirTag is IP67 rated, so it'll temporarily be okay to be dunked on water. Now I love how Apple actually integrated this where you can change the battery of the AirTag. The battery is CR2032, which is a typical battery that you use on your key fobs for your car. Typically, Apple would have made an AirTag that has a unchangeable battery so that when you run out of battery on your AirTag, you'll just have to buy another one. But I like how they were able to just use this little tiny thing, just twist it off and change the batteries. Now you may ask, what does it actually do? I mean, like it doesn't have any holes for a keychain or anything like that. So how can I mount this with my keys or with my backpack? I mean, you could just toss it inside a backpack or inside your wallet, but how can I mount this anywhere? Now, this is where it gets crazy because right now there's not a lot of support for accessories for the AirTag. So you'll have to go to Apple Store and spend about $13 on a Belkin one or the official one for 40 bucks or $30. And that is in US. So you'd need to have a little bit of a loop or maybe a little strap so that you'll be able to mount the AirTag anywhere. There's also the crazy ones if you have the Hermes. Did I say that right? where it goes up to about $580. Now, if you're too cheap like me, I just went on Amazon and bought this silicone little cradle for the AirTag. I'll link this down below, so go ahead and grab yourself one. It is only $9 Canadian, so that's not bad at all. So once you find your accessory for your AirTag, all you need to do is just slip it into the silicone case like so. And then you're just gonna put in the carabiner through the holes and you'd be good to go. Now let's say you lost your keys. All you need to do is go to Find My app. You just hit that to play the sound. Surprisingly, for such a tiny device, it has a pretty good sound. Now, if you have the AirTag close to you, you'll be able to hear the sound and find your keys. Now, if you have an iPhone 11 or newer device, you'll be able to hit the Find Nearby, and the app will guide you on where approximately your device is. So, for example, if you are trying to find your keys and your AirTag is attached to your keys, you'll be able to have this UI that tells you the direction of how many feet ahead. And once you get close by, there you go, it'll tell you that you found it. Now, because we only have the iPhone 10, we don't have this capability, so I had to use MKBHD's video there. So go ahead and check him out. He has a full review of that. So for example, you actually lost your device and it's in a train or a bus or something like that, and you actually have no idea where it is. Now you can hit lost mode, and this way you can punch in your name and your phone number so that the person who finds your AirTag will be able to contact you and say that, oh, we found your key, or we found that lost item that you have. The crazy thing about this is that the AirTag actually relies on other iPhones to update where it is. So obviously the AirTag doesn't have data or anything like that, but if there's iPhones around it, it'll update that location to your phone and then you'll be able to track it down, no problem. That is very powerful because there's a lot of people that owns iPhones, and typically in our area here, everyone that I know usually has an iPhone. Now, if an Android device user found your AirTag, they can use the NFC tag, and they can see your information using that. Now, if you're on an iPhone and you're trying to be proactive, you can go to the Find My app and look for the Identify Found Item. And then here, everything will show any AirTags that you passed by or it was nearby or close to you. Now, what if someone tried to use this AirTag to track you? Now, if you have an iPhone, you'll get a notification like this that an AirTag found moving with you. It'll let you know that someone have bugged your car or maybe your bag or something like that, had put an AirTag with you, and it's tracking your location. It'll even show you how far it's been tracking you. And yeah, Apple have thought of that. Now, this is really useful as well because let's just say you did leave your keys behind in a train or something like that, and some iPhone was there. They're gonna get notified that someone is tracking them, and then they're gonna try to find where that AirTag might be, and they'll figure that it's a lost key. Then they'll be able to contact you right away. So I like how there's so many features on the AirTags that a typical Tile doesn't have. I do have Tile. I own a bunch of Tiles as well. I am probably going to switch to the AirTags for sure because I find them really useful. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on buying an AirTag. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell as well for more videos to come. Hit the like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.